I'm going to show you how to adjust environmental settings within the Bushnell Ballistic app. So as always, I'll open up the app. I'll click on the environment page towards the bottom right of the screen. There are two settings. You can either get an update from the closest weather station, in my case it's Lenexa, or I can click on Manual and update the temperature, wind speed, pressure, humidity, wind direction, all at the location that I'm at. I can also update the altitude versus either manual or do it through the phone, which is going to select that nearest weather station for the altitude. Lastly, I can have the inclination automatically update from the phone by holding it on top of the scope and pointing at the angle that I'm shooting. Or I can input it manually.